Hello friends, now I will discuss adjectives. This is from Junior English book 3, page number 45. Adjective, we know a word which describes noun or pronoun. What is written here? Let's see in the box. Adjectives are very important words because they describe people and things and so help us to get a picture of them in our minds. I told it before, that is adjective a word which describes noun and pronoun, and here it is written, but though this is a big sentence, but it is in a small way because here it's not the written of animal's name or not written of country's name. So if you tell adjective is a word which describes noun and pronoun, then it covers everything. Whatever after that is written, this is R.L. Stevenson's description of Long John Silver. He was very tall and strong, with a face as big as a ham, plain and pale, but intelligent and smiling. Here we have got already, that is tall, strong, big, plain, pale, intelligent and smiling. Why? Because these words have described whom? He was very tall. This is a pronoun, and I told before a word or words which describe noun or pronoun is called adjectives. Here we have got many adjectives. Later it's written, look at these examples. A low-hatched cottage, a tall handsome man, fair glossy wavy. Here these are which are here in bold type words. These are all adjectives. Why? Because in this place low and thatched has describes cottage, tall handsome has described man, fair glossy wavy here fair glossy and wavy also has described here. So that's why these are adjectives. An interesting thing, though these places a are not in bold type, after that you will find later these are also adjectives. When we tell a man or the man or an apple, that time these words describes actually the noun. So that's why these are also adjectives. Later you will know it. After that we will do some exercise, a number exercise. Here it's written, use one adjective to describe each of these nouns. Here a armchair, we can put what? We can put a comfortable armchair. 2 number, a dash dress, we can write here a white dress. A dash school, we can put a big school. 4 number, a dash lamb, we can tell a cute lamb, or you can write a fluffy lamb. 5 number, a dash nose, that is a, we can tell a long nose. Dash here, we can put here silky here. A dash coat, what we can put in this blank, we can put a black coat, or we can tell a warm coat. 8 number, a dash temper, this is a hot temper, we can write, or you can write anything, even you can write no problem fiery temper, no problem. 9 number, a dash smell, you can put here a bad smell. A dash sky, a blue sky, so easy these are. Here B number, copy these 10 nouns into your exercise book, then write 2 suitable adjectives after each. So easily we can write story, what we can tell means which words actually can describe story. We can write exciting or captivating. Food, we can write delicious and nutritious. Now 3 number C, before it what can we use? Vast or majestic, not or and, because we have to write 2 suitable adjectives. 4 number, path, it can be winding path and narrow path. 5 number tree, it will be, it can be, not will be, it can be tall tree, and we can tell leafy tree. Friend, loyal friend, or and supportive friend. Weather, weather, unpredictable weather, pleasant weather. Then sailor, experienced sailor, adventurous sailor. Flower, in flower, colorful flower, fragrant flower. Beach, this is last one, sandy beach and picturesque beach. Now, see number. This is last exercise in this page. That is, copy these 10 adjectives into your exercise book. Then write a suitable noun after each. So we will write what? We will write suitable noun. Before this exercise, we have written adjectives. In this place, we have to write noun. So 1 number, a thrilling adventure, or we can tell a thrilling story. 2 number, a perilous journey. 3 number, a nimble dancer. 4 number, we can write a wealthy businessman. 5 number, a brave soldier. 6 number, a sturdy table. 7 number, a fertile farmland. 8 number, a faint whisper. 9 number, a glossy magazine. And 10 number, that is, this is last one, a loyal friend. Today we have done page number 45, and this is from Junior English Book 3, and the topic is adjectives. Next day we'll do page number 46. Bye for today.